If I lost everything, my subscribers, my brand deals, my followers, and had to start all over again from zero on YouTube in 2025, this is exactly what I do to grow back to 1 million fast. Hi everybody, I'm Shannon Rose and I am a full-time lifestyle content creator and social media millionaire mentor. I built a multi-6-figure income and full-time lifestyle from YouTube and Instagram, and I'm about to walk you through the exact steps I'd take right now if I had to do it all over again. No fluff, no theory, just the raw strategy that actually works in 2025 and what doesn't anymore. And if you're serious about growing online, landing brand deals, and building real income from your content, I'll drop a free resource in the description below to help you get started. Let's get into it. Okay, let's pretend I'm starting from scratch. Here's exactly what I do. Step 1, let's start with the most controversial part of this whole video, which is me going to say that you don't need a niche or a niche, whatever you want to call it, because you are the niche. I'd build the channel around me, not a niche. And let me tell you why. Most people follow people more than ever, especially now. But it's not just that creators are quitting from burnout because they have trapped themselves into only talking about one thing and only being known for one thing and only being able to get brand deals for that one thing. I'm not saying don't have a niche. I'm just saying you don't need one. You will get burnt out. It is not sustainable long term. Also, lifestyle creators, they just get more brand deals because they can get deals for literally anything and everything. We are multifaceted and I don't like being put in a box. People like all kinds of things: food, fashion, beauty, motherhood, working out, and I film it all and I make money from it all. And it makes my life so much easier when I have to film stuff, I can have the option to film whatever I want. So you just have more freedom and you make more money and you will be known for who you are instead of just what you help people for online. And I encourage people that I coach to post more lifestyle content along with their niche and more personal stuff, because that quickly develops a connection with your audience, which turns into them trusting you, and then therefore they'll be, more likely to buy from you or, whatever products you recommend. So next up, I would rework the way I post content now. YouTube has changed in 2025 and it's so different than it was years ago. If you think that you can just grow today by posting what we used to post back in the day, it's not gonna work. Ask me how I know this. We can no longer post just a daily vlog or a get ready with me video and expect for them to do as well as they used to. It's most likely going to flop. So what I would do now is I would change my strategy. I would still post daily vlogs and get ready with me videos, but I would think how can I add value to my subscribers in this vlog or get ready with me. And then I would come up with an idea I think could help them, how to quit your 9-to-5 so you could film your life and make money from it. Or if I'm trying to do a video that's more inspiring as opposed to educational, I'll find a story to tell during the get ready with me in hopes to entertain and inspire them. So you need to be more providing content with value for your viewers and be entertaining and motivating or inspiring them all at the same time. It sounds like a lot, but I have a framework for this and it makes it so much easier and faster to film and post. I know content creation can be really overwhelming for a lot of people because they are literally doing it wrong. So I made a free template of my framework to make it easy for you guys. It's linked below, totally free. And the next thing is, high retention storytelling. And this is crucial if you wanna grow on YouTube in 2025. If you're thinking, Shannon, what the hell is high retention storytelling? In simple terms, it just means using stories in your videos to keep people watching until the end. YouTube's algorithm loves videos that people watch all the way through. Why? Because it tells YouTube, hey, this video is fire, people are clicking away, and they'll show it then to more people, right? So that's why watch time and audience retention are more important than ever. So let's get into this a bit more because it really is so important. Every video for every niche. How do you do this, you may ask? It's the art of telling your story in a way that hooks your viewer in the first 5 to 10 seconds. It teases the payoff. So I'll tell you this, but not to the end, right? But first, creates curiosity gaps, keeps them watching. It delivers consistent emotional or practical value every minute, right? It feels like a story, not just a list of facts or tips. Not to toot my own horn or anything, but I was known for my storytime videos on YouTube. So let me give you an example. Okay, Okay, this is like the boring version, right? Today, I'm gonna tell you how I got my first brand deal. It was through a DM and I messaged a brand and then they like paid me $300, okay? Well, that's boring. This is Shannon's version. Okay, you guys, I had less than 1,000 followers. I sent one DM. My heart was literally pounding. But within 24 hours, they paid me $300 to post. But it's what happened after the deal that changed everything. Here's what happened. And make sure you stay till the end because you don't want to make the same mistake that I did. Okay, notice how that second version, it opens with a hook. It creates tension, it teases something big, and it makes you want to watch more and watch to the end. So whether you're teaching or you're sharing or you're vlogging, wrap your message in a story and they'll stick to the end. I would also start posting and not worrying about my content being like perfect. I feel like so many people I work with and coach are just like overthinking way too much and then they never end up posting. I would just film something and post it. You aren't gonna get good at something if you aren't doing it over and over, right? Okay, so the next thing I do is I plan a viral video series, like not like random videos, right? Like a series, 0 to full-time creator docu-series, or I tried viral creator hacks for 30 days, or recreating my first YouTube video 10 years later. Every video should have a hook that makes people say, I need to see this, and then have a payoff that keeps them watching to the end, and a call to action that leads them to your freebie, your email list, your course, your funnel without being salesy. Also, there's a short strategy to speed it up. So YouTube shorts are still a growth hack, but only when they lead people back to the long form content. I post 2 to 3 shorts per week clipped from long form videos to funnel traffic and train the algorithm. One of the biggest mistakes I see creators going viral, but making zero money. This literally used to be me, so don't feel bad if that's you too. That's why I literally created a free pitch script for you that you can grab down in the description, how to land paid brand deals and how to stand out in 2025. Okay, it's free, it's down below, make sure you go get it. Okay, you don't grow in 2025 by copying trends. You grow by doing what everyone else is afraid to do, okay? Tell the truth. Share behind the scenes stuff that like most people wouldn't share. Do you know what I mean? Be messy, be real and strategic. People like real people. Stop trying to be perfect. It's exhausting, right? I would just show more of my actual life. And here's what I ate, but instead, like, here's how I built this meal from scratch while going through IVF and raising a kid way, right? Like I'd use story-driven titles like why I walked away from everything to start over, or the truth about making money on YouTube that no one tells you. Or maybe something like my ADHD routine that pays me $30K a month. And I treat every video like a brand building moment instead of just like a piece of content. So turning followers into income. Now this is where most people fall flat. They grow, but they don't get paid. You guys gotta get paid. Don't make this mistake. Make sure you're getting paid for all of your hard work. I teach creators how to turn brand deals into full-time income without needing millions of views. And if that's something that you're ready for, there is a link down below. It's low-key, no pressure, just for the people who want more and to speed things up. So if you're starting from zero or starting over, just know this, it's not too late. You haven't missed your moment. The platform isn't too saturated. You guys, that's such a freaking myth, okay? We're all still banking on here. We wouldn't be here showing up still. People still want real stories. They want real connection and they want the real you. The algorithm rewards the creators who show up with value, vulnerability, and a vision, okay? So if you're ready to finally grow, get paid, and build your dream life from YouTube, you guys, we're gonna start here and we're gonna start now. Again, remember, there's a free pitch script waiting for you guys down below, plus more on my influencer bootcamp or how to get paid brand deals below if you're ready to go all in. And if you made it to the end of this video, you're already 90% ahead of most people. So if you're serious about becoming a full-time content creator, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss future videos because I'm gonna have a lot more just like this one coming up. And if you're ready to get your 100K subscriber award or your 1 million subscriber award, make sure to hit that thumbs up button to make it manifest faster. Thanks you guys for watching. I'm sending you all my love and all my positive energy and I hope to see you in my next video. Mwah.